Hello and welcome once again to the third tutorial of THINKALLY. Again, my name is David Adeniji and I'm going to be taking you through this new tutorial. In the first tutorial, we talked about the very first part of the overview. This second tutorial, we're also going to be talking about, in the second tutorial, we talked about the second overview. And in this third tutorial, we'll be looking at how to log in into THINKALLY. Very easy. THINKALLY website is thinkally.net. So if you head on to the THINKALLY website, which is thinkally.net, you're going to be taken to the website of thinkally.net, and then on the THINKALLY website you look for login or start here or sign in, whichever one. If you click on it, it will take you to this place where you see the login interface of THINKALLY. However, if you already have a website in your school and THINKALLY has been linked to your website, you would not need this website at all. What we are trying to say is that even without a website, even without having a school website, you can still use THINKALLY. So, but then the login link is thinkally.net. thinkally.net/SCH, as you can see, thinkally.net/SCH. Let me show you. thinkally.net/SCH. Let me save this. Okay. thinkally.net, you see it? thinkally.net / let me make it bold, you see it? thinkally.net/SCH. So that is a login link. If you don't have a website, that's a login link. You just copy and paste into your browser or your phone or whichever device you are using. But if you have a website and THINKALLY has been linked to your website, you don't need to worry about that. Just go to your website, click on ePortal or login or sign in or whatever link that has been assigned to that THINKALLY has been assigned with, and then it brings you to this interface. The next thing you need to do is log in, put in your username, in which case if you are the admin, it will be the admin username for your school's account, and if you are a teacher, it will be the username and password that has been created and handed to you by your school's THINKALLY software admin. So then for this particular school that I'm working with, the username is Galaxy, and then the password, okay, sorry, the password, and then you click sign in. The moment you click sign in, it takes you to the wonderful, beautiful interface of THINKALLY. Believe me, THINKALLY has so much to offer you. If you are not using THINKALLY in your school, then you need to switch. It is very easy to switch. Just send us a mail to info@thinkally.net or drop a comment in the comment box below, or give us a call 08069462143. In this tutorial, I have shown you how to log in, how to sign in into THINKALLY. You can either use the login link, which is thinkally.net. By the way, THINKALLY is THINKALLY. THINKALLY means a friend that helps you think, that is THINKALLY. You either use the login link thinkally.net/SCH, or if you already have a website that has been linked with THINKALLY, just go to your school's website and click on login, sign in, or whatever link it is that THINKALLY has been assigned with. And the moment you get to that interface, which I was talking about, this login interface, all you need to provide are your login credentials. Talking about your username, see it, your username and the password. Your username and the password. Here I have it. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next tutorial.